Whenever we need to look for the data in other tables or other sheets or other Excel files, the lookup is the best option to use. But the best of them all is Xlookup, which basically takes your game to the whole new level. I will present you one example here where we will be applying Xlookup on multiple parameters. What I mean by that is, here you can see I have my transaction amount, I have the sales amount, and this amount is stored in the respective currency. And to convert them to US dollars, I need to find the exchange rate, which is stored in a second sheet here. In this sheet you can see we have the date, we have the base currency, and then we also have the exchange rate for each currency. Now to be able to convert these values to US dollars, we need to bring in the respective exchange rate for each date and currency into this sheet. And now with Xlookup we can actually apply two parameters at the same time, and this is going to be quite the same. Let me show you. First we will begin by Xlookup formula, and in the lookup value I would say I'm looking for the date so that the right date is matched and the value is picked, but I would apply the and sign and I would say that I am also looking for the currency. So rather than just the date, we have given date and the currency, and the system will be accordingly looking for the date and currency correct combination in the second sheet. So I will select the complete column here, and then I would press the and sign and I will press the complete column here as well, so that the system knows that they are looking for that combination here in these columns. And then I will press the comma and I will select this column so that the right value is picked up from this particular column. Close the bracket, press enter, and now you can see you have your value. To replicate this to the complete column, all I got to do is to double click here, and you will see that in a moment the complete column has been filled with the respective exchange rates. Let us check some of the values. So for example, say if I am looking for the AED to US dollar rate for the 3rd of January, let us go to the second sheet and see if this value of 3.67 is correct. So going to the second sheet, 3rd of January, the currency is AED, and you can see the exchange rate is 3.6722, which is the correct value that has been populated here, 3.6722. Similarly, we can check the Thai baht here for the 5th of January. The Thai baht rate should be 34.66. So let us go here and first of all scroll down to find the Thai baht, and on the 5th of January you can see that the exchange rate is 34.66. So this way, by just inserting an and sign in your parameters, you have applied the Xlookup on two different parameters at the same time.